software development lifecycle, also known as SDLC. Let me zoom in a little bit. It goes through several phases. I'm not going to read all of them, but I'll just read all the key things, but not the definitions of it. So SDLC, it's also known as software development process. It is a framework designed as performed at each step in software development process. SDLC is a process followed as software projects within the software organizations. It consists of detailed plan, describes how to develop, maintain, replace, and after enhance specific software. Its life cycle is defined as methodology to improve the quality of the software and overall development process. The various stages of a typical SDLC is summarized below. One is requirement analysis. Two is defining requirements. Three is designing product and architect. Four is development phases. Five is testing, and six is development and marketing and maintenance.